Hey guys, Jesse Helmendale with TREBEL Wellness Solutions, and we're going to go over the box squat. So this is Andrew. This is his first time box squatting, and I have no idea what his movement mechanics look like, whether he can hinge at the hip, knees are going out, whatever's going on with you. So Andrew, what I want you to do is go ahead and stand over top of this box for me, please. And perfect. Let's go ahead and get your feet about shoulder width apart, and you can have your feet turned out a little bit if you'd like. What I really want you to do is focus on having your weight in your heels, your big toe and your pinky toe. Glutes are on nice and tight, abs are on, rib cage is under. I want you to shoot your butt back while driving your knees out, and then go ahead and sit on top of the box. And stand. Beautiful, do that a couple times. There we go, good. Really sit back. And one more. Awesome. So Andrew looks good, looks checked off on the box squat. The next progression up from there is we would actually take the box away and move on to the air squat.